Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com, if you couldn't tell by the massive logo in the background. We're going to show you today how to change your options for the Alt+F4 shutdown. Go ahead, get your desktop ready, and do Alt+F4. Don't do it over a browser or email. It'll close the program. There's your Alt+F4, and this is what you have is shutdown. Quick way to shut down switch users, sign out, sleep, or restart. But if you use this frequently, you could save a few seconds every time you do it by either editing your registry, and the guide will be linked to in the video description so you can manually edit the registry. If you've never done it before, you have to add a D word and then change the number so that it does what you want it to, or grab our registry files. So let's start with, I guess it doesn't matter, we'll just play around. Switch users, so you'll double click it. Note that each one is named Alt+F4 switch, sleep, sign out, shut down, restart, hibernate. Let's do switch user, run, yes, yes, okay. Click back towards your desktop, press Alt+F4, and there is switch user by default. Nice little time saver. I like restart. That's something I'd be more typical for me personally to use, so just go ahead and do that. Same thing. Just go through the prompts, and again, it's immediate, so come over to your desktop, press Alt+F4. There is restart. Now the beauty of this one is you can actually go in and simply delete the registry key if you want to set it back to default. If you want to go that route, again, check the tutorial. But we have a default right here, big capital letters, so you know you can't miss it. Double click again, run, yes, yes, okay. Come back here, Alt+F4. There's your default shutdown. So this is a fun way to look into the registry. There's not too much damage you can do here. Of course, back up your registry, and you can modify it yourself. Create your first new D word, check the tutorial, and have a little fun with it. So there you go. Nice, easy way, a little time saver. Hope you appreciate it. And that is how you change the default Alt+F4 shutdown options. We appreciate you watching. Bottom right corner, Major Geeks logo. Click subscribe. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.